So while the high-end smartphones like the Oppo Find X or the Vivo Nex try to do away with the notch, the budget smartphones take things a notch further with a notch display. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the latest Nokia phone, the Nokia X5. Nokia X5 is the latest phone to sport a notch at a budget price. Before this, Xiaomi launched its Redmi 6 Pro with a notch at a similar price tag, but Nokia is the second company to do that. Thanks to this design, the X5 is able to fit a 5.86-inch display that gives it a whopping 84% of screen to body ratio, very close to the iPhone X. This is not the first smartphone from Nokia to have a similar design. The Nokia X6 had a notch display too, but it had a price tag of under 20,000 rupees. The Nokia X5, when arrives in India, may get an under 10,000 rupee price tag. In China, it has been launched at 999 yuan. Let's take a look at the full specs of the phone. The phone comes with a 5.86-inch display with HD plus resolution, an aspect ratio of 19:9. The phone has a 2.5D curved glass on top as well. Under the hood, it runs the Helio P60 chip with 4 and 3 GB of RAM options and 32 and 64 GB storage options. At the back, the phone has dual camera setup with 13 and 5 megapixel sensors, and at the front, the phone sports an 8 megapixel selfie shooter with an f2.2 lens. Nokia X5 packs 3060 mAh battery and is charged by a Type-C USB port. There's also dual SIM 4G support with VoLTE, and the sensors include ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, and digital compass. There's also a fingerprint scanner at the back. Now, Nokia has been known to offer great designs in budget segment, and the Nokia X5 would be no less. The design in itself is premium with glass front and back and a polycarbonate frame in the middle with curved corners and rounded edges. But what's here to note is that the under the hood processor is also great this time. You must be knowing this already, that the Helio P60 is a 12 nanometer processor, which is slightly more advanced than the Snapdragon 660 as well. There are some things missing, so it only gets close to it, but it won't be even fair to compare because the Snapdragon 660 is powering phones like Nokia 7 Plus that are selling at around 25,000 rupees. So overall, the Nokia X5 looks like a great phone. It is something that we have been waiting for in the budget segment, and a level that the next generation budget segment phones should match up to. Of course, there are some things missing, like the display is not full HD, but then again, in terms of design, it definitely seems to be a step ahead. Coming to the price, the Nokia X5 has been announced at a starting price tag of 999 yuan, which translates to about a little over 10,000 rupees. But if and when it arrives in India, it may get an under 10,000 rupee price tag to compete with the likes of Redmi Note 5 and Xiaomi's upcoming notch display phone, the Mi A2 Lite. The Mi A2 Lite is also an interesting smartphone that will be announced in Spain. To know more, click on the I button to watch all the specs and features of the phone. Now, there is no timeline as to when Nokia X5 will arrive in India, and we think it will be quite late because Nokia has a past record of launching phones a little later in India. But when it does, it will be running the Android 8.1 Oreo with the Android One program. So that will be a great thing about the phone. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below about the Nokia X5. Also, if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching.